Farmington Avenue. We've said all we intend to say about that. We've said it in open court. So thank you all for your interest. Helen, I know you always have questions, and I'll probably never see you again after this case.
You did mention the bags and that there was a third party standing on the lot. Can you disclose who that third party was at this time?
You're a great reporter, but not a really good listener. I said I won't say anything more than what we've said in court. So I can, but I won't.
When will you?
I don't know.
You don't have a privileged forum to air that theory at this point because there's no trial.
Correct.
So you risk a defamation claim if you do spin this theory?
I'm not worried about a defamation claim. I'd challenge anybody bringing an action against me to take his or her chances in front of a jury and recite that. So.
If you can't talk about the bags today, when will you? Can you give us an idea?
Mr. Dulos' death caught us both by surprise, and it's something from which you don't quickly recover. We didn't see it coming, and we cared deeply for him. The case against Mr. Dulos is over for the time being, and Mr. Smith and I have some healing to do. I mean, I'm not expecting sympathy, but it takes time to recover from the loss of someone you care about. So when we're thinking a little more clearly, we'll be in touch. So
Why did Mr. Dulos not tell the New Canaan police what he knew about the bags that he threw away?
It's not clear how much they asked. As far as we're concerned, had the case gone to trial, the conduct of his lawyer in giving a phone up, asking for it back, and the police not returning it tells us everything we needed to know. The police were less interested in truth at that point than in developing a suspect. They effectively stole his phone when he asked for it back. They said, we're not giving it back. We would have had plenty to say about that at trial. As to what he did or didn't do that day, great question. I wasn't there, I don't know. Don't know.
And the
Just
bags
real quick
don't
on
necessarily
a legal point, Norm, could you explain the difference between the nolle granted by the judge versus a motion to dismiss the case?
Yeah, so a nolle isn't something that the judge grants. The state has the decision about how and whether to proceed with the prosecution. The state made a decision which the law gives it permission to make, not to prosecute. That is a nolle prosequi, a nolle. You'll note the court did not dismiss the case. That's because we didn't ask for the court to do so. We didn't ask for that because we didn't want to be deemed to have waived any potential claims we'll have in another court later. By operation of law, 13 months from today, the case will be dismissed unless the state reopens it. We'll see where that goes.
What about the blood and the DNA evidence that was found in the home? How is that explained by the bag?
I don't know that it's explained. Anything in the home is explained by the bags. There were some trace elements found in the home. To date, the state has not disclosed to us any of that discovery from items found in the house, so I can't evaluate what the state never showed me.
In the suicide note that Fotis Dulos left, it said, my attorney can explain what happened with the bags and all the Pattis.
Were you in court? Were you in court?
I was in court.
You heard what I said?
Yeah.
That's all I'm going to say at this time. Thank you very much, guys.